So we learned how technology plays an important role in assessments and diagnosis. But technology also plays a very significant role in individual learning. The major advantages of technology in personal or individual learning is the visual and the exploring experience it gives. That is, with technology, it is very easy to visualize concepts and explore different ideas. For example, if we could never see a 3D cube physically, how can we understand, how can we make an image of a 3D cube in our mind? It would be very difficult. Similarly, it is at times difficult to understand or visualize concepts without actually seeing a very close image of it. This is where technology steps in. Today we can very easily use technology to visualize different 3D solids in their different orientations, their nets, etc. We can see how solar system works and how does it orient itself. We can see various natural phenomena happening like the layers of earth, earthquake or tectonic plates moving. Everything has become very easy to visualize using technology. Now another important aspect of technology is the explorations that it gives us. So an important aspect of learning is to explore ideas and learn by yourself. There is a lot of benefit in learning by exploring, that is, learning by trying out different things and then making inferences and drawing patterns. Now suppose if I have to simulate probability, if I want to simulate the tossing of a coin and I want to record how many times heads or tails shows up. If I'm doing it physically or manually, I cannot go over say 100 times of tossing or 500 times of tossing. But with technology, there's no limit to this simulation. I can actually put a counter to 1000 or 10,000 and see how many times heads or tails appears. This is how I can actually lead to an accurate result. So again, exploration becomes a very effective tool for learning which technology helps. Another important example in case of technology for individual learning are the digital textbooks which are coming up these days. Now digital textbook is actually a platform which gives you references to various things like a dictionary or text, interactives, animations, etc. all at the same page or all at the same place. So imagine when you're learning and you're learning about say 3D objects and you get stuck, you want to see how do they actually look like, how do they actually look from different orientation, what are their different properties. You can very easily go to a reference which shows an animation or interactive where you can visualize all these things. Then suppose you're stuck at a definition, you can very easily go to the dictionary straight away from there and have a look at that. So these are very convenient platforms which are coming up for learning and which deal or which target at a holistic learning of a concept.